Our next fighter, we're gonna draw BANCHOLILYMON. This is another one of my characters from my crossover series. On my page, well, I gave it a new vibe instead of well, they have the same lines as Team R, and instead it's not really a Rocket, it's more, I named it Team Bancho.
We're gonna capture Pikachu. We're always gonna try it. No one can deny it. We can cause a riot in Sunday's riot. We'll have you believe it. Truth can be deceiving. 2 1 2 other is our golden rule.
This is our most ingenious plan ever, if I do say so myself.
Even we couldn't screw this one up, Jesse.
Would you two stop yapping? Here they come!
Prepare for trouble! Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, talking trouble, trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, talking trouble, trouble, big trouble, got to Pikachu. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, big trouble, got to Pikachu. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble,
Big trouble.
gonna follow you. Team Rocket's rockin'.
Looks like Team Rocket's bursting up again!
This is the boss, and I'm sick of waiting. I want Pikachu, and this time don't screw it up.
Prepare for trouble, make it double. Prepare for trouble, make it double. We'll be the richest rogues of all time.
Here we go.
Creators of a grand design.
I'll be the king.
I'll be the queen
I'll be the Joker!
Here's the chest.
of crime.
Prepare for trouble, make it double.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double. Make it double.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
James.
Team Rocket, blast off at the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
That's right.
Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. We're gonna capture Pikachu. Prepare for trouble, make it double.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double. Make it double. We're Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong. For mayhem and madness and rare Pokemon.
Here's her shoe.
I'm so gorgeous.
I'm always the man.
You're just the players in my master plan.
Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. We're gonna catch capture Pikachu. We're always gonna try it. No one can deny it. We can cause a riot in Sunday. A riot? We'll have you believe it. Truth can be deceiving. Do unto others our golden rule.
This is our most ingenious plan ever, if I do say so myself.
Even we couldn't screw this one up, Jessie.
Would you two stop yapping? Here they come!
Prepare for trouble! Team Rocket's rocket.
Here's the vine sticking out of her back. That's part of her sexuality. And here's the special disc. Part of her weaponry.
Walking trouble.
Team Rocket's rocket. Team Rocket's rocket.
Walking trouble.
Big trouble. That's right, Team Rocket's bursting up again.
This is the boss.
Here we go.
I want Pikachu, and this time don't screw it up.
Here's the other part of his robe.
We'll be the richest rogues of all time.
Creators of a grand design.
I'll be the king.
I'll be the queen
I'll be the Joker!
of crime. Prepare for trouble.
Make it double.
To protect the world from degradation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the
There he is. There she is, everyone.
To the stars.
BANCHOLILYMON.
Change.
Don't forget the X on her upper half.
blossom at the speed of
And now she's finished. That's how you draw a BANCHOLILYMON. Now both members of Team Bancho are now complete. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys. Good night.